There are many situations where becoming a legal guardian for a minor child just makes sense. So in this video, I'm gonna show you the different situations in which it makes sense to become the legal guardian for a minor child. I'm gonna show you how to become a legal guardian. And I'm also gonna show you the most important thing that you need to know before you become a legal guardian for a minor. Welcome to my channel. My name is Bundy, a lawyer who's helped hundreds of families in Nebraska with their guardianships, adoptions, and estate planning. And this is the place to be to learn all about adoptions, guardianships, and estate planning here in Nebraska. So if you're excited about that, you want more content like this, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel so that this content can get out to more families like you, and make sure to hit that bell button to be notified when a new video is posted every single week. And if you are thinking about becoming a legal guardian for a child, there's a link below in the description box that you can click to schedule a free consultation with me. First of all, it's important for you to understand what a guardianship is. And in this video right here, I actually cover the difference between a guardianship and an adoption and explain the meaning of a guardianship. So make sure to watch that video after you're done watching this one to learn more about what a guardianship actually is. So here are the situations in which becoming the legal guardian for a minor child makes sense. If you are a relative right now, like an aunt, an uncle, a cousin, a grandparent, and you're caring for your young relative because the parents are absent, maybe they're on drugs, maybe they're doing alcohol, maybe they're just not fit to be a parent, and you've been caring for your young relative now for quite some time, this is a situation where you really need to consider becoming a legal guardian. If you are not biologically related to the child at all, but maybe your best friend is the mom and you know that she's just not a good parent and she keeps leaving this child with you, and you've had this child now in your home for a couple of months, maybe a year. If you have been given a power of attorney by the mom and she wants you to take care of the child, and now you've been caring for that child for a while and you're not sure if mom wants to take the child back or not, this is a situation where it's a good idea to start talking to the mom or the dad about a legal guardianship. If you are a foster parent and your foster kiddo is maybe about to age out and maybe he or she doesn't want to be adopted. Some foster kids, when they're getting to the age when they're aging out and they haven't been adopted yet, some of them decide, I don't want to be adopted. So a legal guardianship is something that you should really consider. Okay, so those are the common situations where a legal guardianship makes sense. Obviously, everybody's situation is different, so you need to talk to a lawyer to really find out if for your specific situation, if a legal guardianship makes sense. Do any of those situations apply to you? If they do, comment below and let me know which one of these situations actually applies to you. All right, so the second thing I'm going to talk about now is how to become a legal guardian. So to become a legal guardian, you need to hire a lawyer because they need to hear your situation, let you know whether guardianship makes sense for your situation. And if it does, then they can help you actually do the process. In Nebraska, generally, to become a legal guardian, you have to go through background checks because the judge needs to see that you are clean and that you're safe to actually take care of a child. And you just need to file paperwork, and that's what your attorney will help you with. Once all the paperwork is filed, you go to court for the hearing. Your attorney will present all the evidence to show the court why you should become the legal guardian. And if the judge agrees with all of it, the judge will sign the paperwork making you the legal guardian. So it's pretty simple, but you do need a lawyer to help you because there's a couple of steps that you have to take, and there's a lot of paperwork involved that have to be filed at certain times for the guardianship to go through. So the third thing is the most important thing that you need to know before you decide to become a legal guardian. You have to understand that the parents are still the parents, okay? As the legal guardian, even though their rights are suspended, they're still the parents. So it's in your best interest, and I believe in the best interest of the child, if you try to keep some type of relationship with the parents and don't just completely cut them off from the child. Now, as a legal guardian, it's your job to make decisions that are going to keep the child safe. But if the parents are decent and they're just not able to care for the child right now and they want to visit the child, you just need to remember that it's not in your best interest and the best interest of the child to just cut off the parents completely out of the picture. And that's what I would say is the most important thing that you need to know before you decide to become legal guardian. Now, if you've been actually considering adoption too, and you're not really sure how to pick between guardianship and adoption, you don't know what to do, watch this video next where I talk about the three main differences between a guardianship and an adoption to help you make that decision. All right? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.